Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT to TRX in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's super stable, pegged to the US dollar, while TRX is the native token of the Tron blockchain, known for its fast transactions and growing ecosystem. This guide is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to stay ahead in 2025's evolving crypto world. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Tron-compatible wallet like TronLink or Tron Wallet installed on your device. These wallets are free and easy to set up. Just download from the App Store, create an account, and secure it with a strong password and two-factor authentication. Step 1. Acquire USDT. You can buy USDT on popular exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, but ensure it's on the Tron network, TRC20 format, to avoid extra fees. Once you have it, transfer your USDT to your Tron wallet address. Double-check the network. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Next, head to a decentralized exchange, DEX, on Tron, such as SunSwap or JustSwap. These platforms let you swap assets directly. Connect your wallet, select USDT as the token to swap from, and choose TRX as the token to receive. Enter the amount, review the exchange rate and fees, which are usually low on Tron, and confirm the transaction. After initiating the swap, wait for the blockchain to confirm it. This might take a minute or two. Once done, your TRX will appear in your wallet. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan to ensure everything's smooth. Finally, a quick word of caution. Crypto is volatile, so only transfer what you can afford to lose. In 2025, regulations might change, so stay updated with reliable sources. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you next time.